It's late October, and it's still comfortable temperature to get out. If you've been following my films for a while, you might wonder, isn't he gonna do some fly fishing soon? Yeah, maybe. It goes in waves. And right now I'm in a birding wave. Sort of the same thing as fly fishing. He's chasing something. Sun is rising. And I'm looking for the smallest bird in Europe. It's like the birding people, they're a lot about finding the most rare species and so, but I just want to see something. That's the main. I don't know, I just want to get out. Look at this. Spruce growing on a spruce. Cannibal spruce. I like open spaces, but there is something about going to forests that I enjoy. I guess it's like you become like you get locked into your own world. And I'm pretty much locked into my own world all the time. But here it's like it allows you to be. Inside yourself. A bird that I've always liked is the goldcrest. It's the smallest bird in Europe. And when I go fishing, I often see them in this kind of forest, in spruce forest. But then I just see them quick, like. Wow, what is that? There it is. Okay, I don't know what to say. I should say something. Or should I say something? It's not, I don't necessarily have to say something. The less I say, the harder it will be for an AI to copy this, I think. It's like, as long as you stick to a line, AI will beat you. Maybe you can copy my voice and mumble things, but you don't know that I'm about to do this. If an AI would make this, it would never have added that. So I'm one step ahead. Now I've found one. I'm gonna try to get it down here. I'm a real beginner when it comes to birding. 'Cause last week I went out with my neighbor and he showed me this simple trick. He played them a song and they all came. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna see if I can get them. It would be so much cooler if I was able to do that. But it's such a high, there's like high tones. Don't think it's working. I'm gonna use internet. The internet's such a good thing for me. Such a cool bird. This it's a little bit like fly fishing. You sort of create an artificial mayfly and then you try to fool nature into believing that it's real. And now didn't feel very sophisticated though. I just played a song from the internet. Anyhow, I like this. It feels a little bit like I started something. Like if two of them are singing now. Perhaps I made some kind of ethical mistake and started and got them focused on singing instead of eating, and then they die from the cold. It would be sad. I don't know about the ethics, like the birding ethics. Is it alright to do it? Can you do it more than one time? I don't know. Probably. Okay. When I walk around like this, filming whatever I find, I realize I film the same stuff every time. Like these. I don't know the English name for it, but tinder, is it? Like you can make tinder out of it. I read somewhere that in the 1800s, Sweden was exporting tinder. And now you mainly see them if you go to reserves and forgotten places. No, it's not really true. You find them a little bit everywhere. It's just more of them here. Tinder fungi? I don't know. And after a long day of hiking, we finally reach the coast. Maybe I can spot a bird here. I got the goldcrest. Happy with that. I'm gonna pick up my kids in an hour. And the smart move now would be to go back to the car, drive back home. But I'm just gonna take a quick look out here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my kids, but I found something. Oh no. Look what I have become. The trash can burner. Cool birds hang out by the trash cans.